In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Claude Code in a Replit project using the shell. We're going to keep things simple and focused, and by the end you'll have the Claude Code package installed and ready to use in your Replit environment. First, open your project in Replit. Look for the Shell tab in the interface. It's usually located alongside your files and console panels. The shell is the command line interface for your REPL, and it's where you can run system-level commands. This is different from the console, which shows your program's output. Make sure you're in the shell before you continue. With the shell open, we'll install the Claude Code package globally. This package comes from Anthropic and provides tools that integrate AI-assisted coding into your workflow. In the shell, type the following command exactly as you hear it. npm install g at Anthropic AI Claude Code. The BG flag means global installation, which makes the command available across your REPL's environment, not just inside a single folder. In Replit, that essentially means you can call the tool from anywhere within this project's shell. Press Enter to run the command. You'll see npm start fetching and installing dependencies. Depending on your network speed and the current load, this may take a moment. It's normal to see a mix of informational messages and occasional warnings. Warnings don't necessarily mean something went wrong. If there's an actual error, it will be clearly labeled as such. In Replit, you typically don't need administrator privileges, so you shouldn't need to add anything like elevated permissions for this to work. A quick tip: be careful to include the full scoped package name with the @ symbol at the beginning. At Anthropic AI Claude Code. Missing that part or adding extra characters can cause npm to fail to find the correct package. If you're copy-pasting, make sure there aren't any trailing spaces. When the installation completes, you'll be returned to the shell prompt. That's your confirmation that the process finished. At this point, Claude Code is installed globally in your REPL's environment and is ready for use inside this project. To recap, we opened the shell in our Replit project and ran npm install at Anthropic AI Claude Code to install the Claude Code package globally. That's all you need for this step. In future sessions, we'll build on this by exploring how to use the tool effectively within your coding workflow. For now, you're set up and ready to go.